Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Recycle Ideas with Dira. You know, summer has already started and our plants need constant watering, and during this season if you have a vacation or if you go outside for 3-4 days or 1 week also, your plant might dry it up. For this problem I brought one solution for you, that is a self-watering system. In this video I will show you 3 methods. The video will be more useful and more knowledgeable for you, and keep watching till the end and follow the instructions. So let's start. My first method, okay, you need this type of container, okay, and you just put water. This one you can use it when you are going for vacation for long days, okay. And you take a pot, okay, and keep it inside here, okay. Your soil get moisture every time, okay. This method is used only when you are in the vacation only, okay. This is not a safe method, but it will help your plant to be survive for 3-4 days or 1 week, okay. This is my first method. And for second method you need this type of container, okay, and my pot is very small, so I'm using this small container here. You just take it and take one needle, okay, make one hole here, okay, in the center. Just make a small hole only, okay, like this. I make a small hole, okay, and you just keep water. And you just keep it in the pot, okay, like this way. The water will drain, okay. And you keep it here, okay. Your soil get water every time, okay. My third method is a bottle, okay. I'm going to put water here. This is very common method. Okay, we are going to make hole here, okay. Just take one needle and make a hole, and in the downside also you have to make one hole, okay. Like this. Now you keep the bottle in this direction, okay. Like this way you have to keep little bit slanting, okay, and your water will pass it out. You have to make a hole here, okay, otherwise your water will not go downward, okay. Like this way. This is a very common method you have heard in another YouTube channel also. This is also a good method, okay. Second two method you can use it anytime, and the first one method you can use it only when you are going for long time vacation, okay. And if you like my ideas, do subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe.